So over here, you can see that I have these chats right here over here on the left hand side. Let's say what I want to do is I want to simply go ahead and archive all of it. In order to do that, you need to go around onto your profile, then go around onto settings right here. And then what you can do is you can go around onto chat, and here you can see that archive all chat is an option. If I were to click on it, it asks whether I am sure. So if I were to say yes, everything is archived, as you can see right here. Apart from that, it is not actually deleted. So if I were to go around over here, then go on to archive chats, I can actually see the archive chat right here. So if I want to delete all of it, I can unarchive it, or I can export all the archive chat as well. But if I want to delete all of them, then I can simply go around over here and click on delete all chat and say yes. And then what happens is that all of the chats will be deleted. Even the chats in the archive, you can see, is gone. And that is how you can archive all and then delete all of the chats that you have inside of Qwen. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.